Want to send or receive more money on Cash App, but keep hitting your limit? In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to increase your Cash App limits step by step. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss the key step most people overlook. And unlock higher transaction limits fast. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Here you'll see a section called Limits. This shows your current send, receive, and add cash limits. If you want to raise these limits, you'll need to verify your account. This is the most important step. Here's how. Go back to the home screen and tap Add Cash. Cash App will prompt you to verify your identity. Tap Continue. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Submit any documents Cash App requests, such as your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your SSN. Once you've completed these steps, Cash App will review your info. When your verification is approved, your account limits will automatically increase, allowing you to send, receive, and withdraw more money with ease. The only way to unlock higher limits is to complete identity verification. This is quick, secure, and the fastest way to make sure you're getting the most out of Cash App. And that's it. You've just learned how to raise your Cash App limits step by step. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and check the description for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.